The New Jersey Senate was established as the upper house of the New Jersey Legislature by the Constitution of 1844, replacing the Legislative Council. There are 40 legislative districts, representing districts with average populations of 210,359. Each district has one senator and 2 members of the New Jersey General Assembly, the lower house of the legislature. Prior to the election in which they are chosen, senators must be a minimum of 30 years old and a resident of the state for 4 years to be eligible to serve in office. From 1844 until 1965, each county was an electoral district electing one senator. Under the 1844 Constitution, the term of office was 3 years, which was changed to 4 years with the 1947 Constitution. Since 1968, the Senate has consisted of 40 senators who are elected in a 2-to-4-4 cycle. Senators serve a 2-year term at the beginning of each decade, with the rest of the decade divided into 2 4-year terms. The 2-to-4-4 cycle was put into place so that Senate elections can reflect the changes made to the district boundaries on the basis of the decennial United States Census. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.